Hey, where's Percy? He's not in his bed. He's not going that track, and he not. Maybe he's in the shop. Right there, and just jump to go up there in the shop. Kaya yak. Dung. Hello, Percy.
Hello, Thomas.
Good morning.
I'm coming.
Percy, looking for you everywhere, not in the shed. Not going the truck. And I think you in your shop,
Yeah.
in the white place. Hey, oh, I buy to you. Yeah, I want two grass, and I want a burger,
Yeah.
French fries, and what?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Hey, Percy,
Hey, Thomas.
what you doing? Oh, you cutting the leaves. It's dangerous, Percy. Dangerous.
Why?
Don't do that ever. Get that scissor out of your hands.
I can put it there.
Plus,
I
hello.
want to buy something. Hey, what do you want to buy? I want to buy flowers for us. For a baby. Thanks. Here, my money. You know me your money.
Yeah, Percy, I gonna get you money.
Here, money.
Oh, you got. No, this is not the money.
Just split it in half.
Yeah, Percy, but this is not. Why your shop is not cool?
My shop is cool.
And why your shop is. Why the floor is ugly?
That is a train track.
And that is super ugly. And what is that?